Value-added resources to take charge of your life. What are we talking today? Today, we are talking about the winning tactics of finding ideal business. What are the traits of looking for ideal business? Because I know many of you are really, really ambitious. You are looking for good business to start with. So I'm going to give you the 15 points to look into a business which you are evaluating to start. I'm not going to recommend any particular business or any particular style like network marketing, MLM, or affiliate marketing, or anything. I'm not at all recommending any particular business. I'm just going to tell you these are the 15 tactics which you look when you are evaluating for ideal business. And then it is totally your call. You decide what you want to do. So what is the first one? The first one, you should have a product or service that sells to the whole world. Yeah, and now it is quite possible. In pandemic, we have seen that most of the things have gone virtual. So you can design any product or you can provide service. You can actually sell to the whole world. I'm personally using services from freelancers from all over the world. So, and I'm creating digital products which I can sell anywhere in the world. So it should be selling to the whole world. What is the second point? Second point, you should have a product which is in elastic demand. Okay, what is inelastic demand means? That means people want it regardless of price. So when you put actually into that category, that means basically more like luxury items. For example, if someone is looking for any anti-aging solution or something like that, people desire it and they will buy it if it has a proven track record, proven testimonials, regardless of price. So if you have any product or even if you have services which people desire, and if you give quality product or quality service, then people will buy it regardless of price. So that is the second point. The first point, sell to the world. Second point, inelastic demand, which people desire and need regardless of price. Third one is the unique product. What are the unique product? I can give you example about the digital products and even physical products. For example, physical products, unique products, sometimes you buy only because their uniqueness. For example, you buy organic products because they are unique, right? And so products or digital products, I can say they should be unique. That they are really hard to copy. Other people won't copy them that easily. So those are the unique products. So if you have access to those unique products, that will be part of real ideal business. So first, again, sell to the whole world. Second is inelastic demand. Third one is unique product. Unique products actually you can design. If you have a skill for some graphic design, you can design actually digital products which are really unique, but you can also outsource, but make sure they are unique. Fourth, low labor requirement. Ideal business shouldn't require too much of labor. Means basically because if you hire too many people, and right now if your revenue or cash flow is not that high as a new business, you won't be able to pay them. So unique products, yeah, that is there. You create unique products, but make sure that labor requirement is pretty low. Fourth one actually is the low labor requirement. Then the fifth one, low overheads. What are the overheads? Many times when you start a business, you need a physical place, so you have to lease. So that is the overhead, electricity, advertisements, legal requirements. There are so many. I had a placement firm before and I had lots of overheads because that's the kind of business it was. But now I'm developing digital products and I'm also part of actually franchise and all. I really don't have any overheads. So first is sell to the whole world. Second, inelastic demand. Third is unique products. Fourth is low labor requirement. And fifth is low overheads. Less electricity, less lease, not much money on ads, not much legal requirement. No, actually, social media is there. You can do lots of things just using social media. You don't need to put money into advertisements at the beginning. Means later on, once you establish you have some revenue, yeah, then you can do advertisements. But at the beginning stage, you don't need those overheads. Sixth one is low investment. Why low investment? Again, why do you want to carry too much of debt in your business? Means those kind of businesses, yeah, will work, might work, and they have worked before. But we are talking about ideal businessmen business here. So low investment. Okay. So not too much of investment, means basically you don't have to buy a land, or you don't have to means build a building and all. But even in virtual cases, I have seen some businesses to get started with, they're charging like 1500, $1000 to get started with. And then they give you, okay, we give you guarantee for 7 days. What are you going to prove in 7 days? Means how are you going to prove the business works in 7 days? So those kind of investments, yeah, they might have worked, but I'm not saying they are bad, but I'm just saying they are not part of ideal business. Your ideal business shouldn't require too much of investment. Seventh is cash billing. Yeah, cash and carry. It is not like that, okay, I'll take your stuff today, I'll pay you tomorrow and all. Hey, no, no, no. That's why the credit card companies are there. You deal with them, but not deal with my business, okay? You cash and carry. The digital products I create, it's just like that. You pay them, you download them. Yeah, we are done with the transaction. Even for physical products, you should have the same system, right? Cash billing, cash and carry. You pay and you get the product. That is the ideal business I'm talking about. Eighth one is regulation free. So many virtual businesses we are doing right now, and they should be actually government and industry regulation free. So if you want to sell your product in this country or other country, you don't have to deal with different government and then different system and different regulations. Ideal business should be regulation free. Ninth, it should be portable and easily movable. Yeah, virtual businesses are like that. Means one of my friends, she started her business. She's here in living in West Coast, but now decided to move to East Coast. She didn't have to do much. Means, yeah, she's taking her laptop with her. She will be taking her whole setup with her. Easy. It is really portable. It is movable. I have one of my another friend, actually, she is an Instagram guru, and she was first in Portugal, then she moved to Mexico. Her business is going really great. So business should be easily movable, portable. 10th thing, you should love it. Yeah, that is so important. This is where you monetize your passion, and then you will love whatever you're doing. Just now, I was coming back from vacation, and most of the people were really unhappy because they were, yeah, means coming back from vacation, they had to go back to work. And I was just thinking, I'm still happy because even if I go back to work, I will be doing what I love. I'm not going to be sad. I remember when we were actually getting off the plane, that time our pilot told one of the kids that, hey kid, you be really nice to your parents, because your parents are going to be very sad for next few days because they are done with their vacation. And I really felt like laughing. I say, oh my goodness. So you are just living your life vacation to vacation. So the best thing, just monetize your passion. Do what you love, and then your work will be a lot of fun. That is the part of ideal business. Okay. Find what is your passion and do that. Monetize that. Just actually start adding value to other people's lives, and you will be rewarded. So don't even focus much on monetizing, but means it will come. You will be rewarded, no doubt about it. 11th thing is continuing need. It is not a fad product. I can give you example about physical product and also digital product. Now, for example, digital products I have created, they are like editable planners, printable planners, or even editable invites and all. Yeah, they're really good for organizing your life, but they're not fad product. Those are products which people need all the time, and they're really low priced. People need it. They really nice designs. People can just download, print. They can edit to their own needs and ready to go. So they are in continuing need. Or you can see not a fad product means, if you talk about the physical product, for example, things like just toothpaste or toothbrush or daily consumables and all. Yeah, means Walmart and all these stores and all, even so many online stores, why are they in business? Because they are providing all the daily consumables which are in continuing need. Whether people have job or not, they will need it anyway. Yeah, and if you don't have a job and if you don't brush your teeth, you may not find your next job. So ideal business should deal with the products which are continuing in need. So they can be digital or physical. I'm just giving you two examples, but you can actually elaborate and you can find out many, many more products which are in continuing need. People need them, whether they have job or not. People, it's a daily consumable. They are not glamorous. Means initially I talked about some luxury products, but means it is better to deal with the continuing needing product. 12th point, ideal business should give you some free time. It is not totally exhausting that you are working like what 14, 18 hours per day. No, your ideal business should be done enough just within few hours, and then you have some free time to rejuvenate and spend time with your family, because your family shouldn't think that you are putting your business over family. So ideal business should have some free time left for you. It's not exhausting. That is the ideal business. Yeah, people made other businesses work and they were exhausting. Initial stages, especially in the foundational stages, they took a lot of time. Yeah, those businesses are there, but I'm just talking about ideal business. So I'm not saying this is a good business or bad business. The ideal business should leave some free time for you. 13th point is you should have access to a proven system. Somehow you should get access to a proven system or mentorship who have done the work which you want to do and they are willing to mentor you. That is really hard. For some businesses, it is a built-in, but for some businesses, it is hard. But if you work, if you look for it, you will find it. So proven system. 14th point is applicable for any business. You should have tax benefits. Yes. When you have a job, first you get salary, and then when you get salary, first you pay taxes, and then whatever is remaining, you spend on yourself and your family and your needs. But businesses, yeah, they make revenue and profit, and then they reinvest into their business, they spend on themselves, and whatever is left over, basically they pay taxes. So you have a lot of tax advantages for owning a business. I'm not saying you start a business for tax advantages, but it is a built-in. That is how the system is. So that is the 14th point. And the last point I want to make is time leveraging. Ideal business should have some time leveraging. Jay Paulgetty said that I should have 1% effort from 100 people instead of 100% effort from one person. Means 100% effort from one person means I'm the only one working. But if something happens to me, my business is folded. No, 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 no. We don't want that. We want time leveraging. So that is what means basically I'm personally using a lot of freelancers because I can do everything on my own, but means there is a learning curve and it will take a lot of time for me to learn. And by the time I launch, the technology may become obsolete. So why not leverage, time leveraging? So let's recap. What are those 15 points of ideal business? First, it sells to the whole world. Second, inelastic demand means people want it, whether means they have money and to spend for those kind of luxury products. They have desire and they want those. Those are the inelastic demand, and they will buy it regardless of price. Third, unique products. Why should someone come to you? Because they are not getting those kind of products somewhere else. You have uniqueness. Fourth, low labor. Don't hire too many people. There shouldn't be any need for that. Fifth point, low overheads. No lease money, electricity, advertisements, legal requirements and all. Sixth, low investment. For virtual businesses also make sure low investment if you are looking for ideal business. Seventh, cash billing, cash and carry. Eighth, regulation free. Can go any country without government or industry regulation. Ninth, portable, easily movable. Yes, you can go on vacation and you take your business over there. Means if you want to do, or if you move, it should be easily movable, portable. 10th, you love it. Yes, you monetize your passion. You love it. 11th, continuing need, like daily consumables, whether people have job or not, they need it, or something which people really need it. It is not a fad product. Digital products also, as I mentioned before. 12th, free time. Should leave you some free time. 13th, proven system. Get access to mentorship. 14th, tax benefits. Those are there for any business anyway. 15th, time leveraging. 1% from 100 people instead of 100% from one. So these are all the 15 traits for the ideal business. If you want to know more about ideal business, you can contact me. And if you find one ideal business, still you let me know which business you are starting, because we want you to succeed. We want to see you successful and really, really making great in your life. That's the whole goal we have in our life. We want you to take charge of your life. That's why we are providing value-added resources for you to take charge of your life. Thank you and God bless you. Thank you.